Welcome back. Today's lesson is going to look at graphing sequences. So let's get started. We're going to be doing math on a coordinate grid. This is what it looks like. You've seen it before. Ordered pairs is what it's called. So I'm going to give you a little example here. We'll use red today. And if I do an x coordinate of 3 and a y coordinate of 7, you would graph it like this. So 3. So first you start off with the x. The x-axis is at the bottom. So 3, you just have to find the 3. And the y-coordinate says 7, so you have to find 7 up here. So what you would do is you would find the 3 and go up to 7. And this is where it would be located. And then you can put it in brackets here, 3, 7. And that's how you would graph it. So let's look at some more examples. We can think of a sequence as a set of ordered pairs in the form of term number and term. So here's the example. So term number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here are basically the numbers that are going to go in here. So this is basically a T-chart. Okay, so the coordinate pairs would be written like this. 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 7, and 5, 9. So you would go this way. So this is kind of like saying the x-axis. This is the y-axis. So if you were in my class, you know that I've told you it will not be called term number and term. It's going to change to x and y. Here's where it changes to x and y. So let's write the sequence as ordered pairs. So because some of you are really new at this, I would still make a T-chart just to start. X, Y. So these are all the Y's. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can write them like this. 1, 4. 2, 6. 3, 8. 4, 10. 5, 12. Okay, so we'll do it again. I'm not going to do the T-chart again, but this would be the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So you can write it like this: 1, 13, 2, 10, 3, 7, 4, 4, 5, 1. So it says here, to graph a sequence, we change it to a set of ordered pairs. This is what I just did. So as you can see here, the numbers were just changed. This was the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or this was the T-chart here, X, Y. I'm just going to quickly do it to help some of you who are still confused, which is okay to be confused. This is a brand new thing that you're doing. So here's how you would graph it. 1, 1 would go right here. 1 and 1, 2 and 3. Remember, the X is the bottom. X, Y. They're all like this. 3 and 5 goes here. 4 and 7 goes here. 5 and 9 goes here. So normally you would write the coordinates in here as well. So we'll do that. Okay, there are the coordinates. They're written. And let's go on to the last slide. We can also graph a sequence using a pattern rule. Example, add 3 to the term number. So let's just make one up. Let's go X and Y. Let's do the first 5 term numbers. And if we're adding 3, let's start with 1 plus 3 is 4, 7, 10. Actually, let's not do 5 because it's going to run out of space. Okay, so if we're going to graph it, it's going to look like this. 1, 1 is going to be over here. 2, 4 is going to look over here. And 3, 7's here, and 4, 10 is here. So they will not always look the same, but this is an introductory lesson on how to graph algebra. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.